Today we are going to be doing a very special unboxing. I ordered these parts months ago to the point where I almost forgot I had ordered these, but when they came in, oh, I know exactly what they were. I bought these from Germany, I believe. Romania. I'll have to double check that, but these are some really cool parts that I really wanted. Shipping on them was a little on the expensive side, so I held off on buying them, but I could not help myself. I just had to get these. I am so excited to open these up, guys. These are gonna make the Saturn look so much better. So why wait any longer? Let's get to opening these up. So this is the spoiler for it. So yeah, I'm not sure what this other one is, but this is a spoiler for it, guys. Open this. It's a pretty small lip, but I think it's going to make a huge difference. I think the back of the Saturn looks really sleek, so I didn't want a giant wing on it, but I think this is just going to give it that little bit of an edge. So I'm super excited to try these on. And I didn't just get one rare part from Germany, I got two. This is the other one. This is the one I'm really excited for. This is a front lip. Will I break it off? I don't know. I bought it. The car's already pretty low, but this is gonna look so sick on it. Like, this is gonna make a huge difference to the way the car looks. Always thought the front of it could just use a small lip. This isn't no crazy track arrow big lip. This is just a small subtle one, which I couldn't find really any that I liked. There was some made by other companies that I wasn't a huge fan of, so I went looking and I found this one. This one's by CSR, I believe. I'm kind of winging it right now. Should have looked up more stuff, but I was just so excited to unbox this for you guys. So yeah, I think the spoiler's probably not going to be put on permanently because I probably am going to get that painted, but front lip I'll probably go ahead and throw on. So let's get into it. I am excited to see how the car looks with this. It's going to look so sick. So the looks like it came with pop rivets, which I'm not a fan of, so more than likely we're gonna have to go get some different hardware because I'm not a fan of pop rivets, because if I need to ever get this on a tow truck or something, I can't really easily remove it, and I like removing it, so it's go to the hardware store more than likely. Yo, this looks sick. I absolutely love this. I have not taken the protective plastic off. It does come off, so it's a nice deep glossy black under there, so it looks matte, but want to go test it out before I remove it in case I have to learn how to get in and out of my driveway. But yeah, this looks sick. I am in love with this mod. I've seen a couple other different styles of lip, but when I saw this one, I knew this one was the one for me. So let me show you how I mounted it in case any of y'all want the same lip. Again, it's a couple months wait to get it because it is from Germany, I believe, and between shipping, and they don't have these in stock. They usually restock them every once in a while. Again, probably not a huge seller, so probably why, but yeah. So over here you're gonna use the factory 3 I don't know if that's catching. Use the factory 3 bolts that hold on the bumper to the undershield, and then on these little things I put in my own hardware on there that I had in the garage, but you can use any hardware from Ace if you don't want to use the included rivets. So now to take it off, if I ever want to take it off, should be simple. 3 7mm screws on each side, and then just 5 holding these on, which makes it like really sturdy. Like that's probably, like, I could probably put, yeah, as you can see, I can shake the whole bumper and it is not even budging. So yeah, definitely want to get it mounted good, because I have mounted lips before where I didn't do a great job and then they fell off, which I don't want this to fall off. But this is secured. This is not falling off. The whole bumper probably would fall off if the lip came off. So yeah, let's go take it for a drive and get some pictures of it out and about. I'll do a little getting it off the ramps here so we can see how low it actually is, because I do think it is going to be pretty low. Oh yeah, that looks sick out on the ground. Definitely need to go and see it out, not in my driveway, see it out in the streets, but it looks so good. I love it so far. Let's go get some shots out of it in the streets. Well, I drove it over here to the local Harbor Freight, and yeah, we drove it for about 30 seconds before damaging it, so already not off to a good start, which sucks because I think it looks so good. I mean, look at it, but yeah, it's dirty, and yeah, we've already done damaged it. That's supposed to be flat, and now it's ridgy. Yeah, not going well. Not going well, to be honest. So yeah, I was thinking about painting it green. No chance now, because the green's not going to be on there for long. We're just going to scrape the paint off of it anyway. I love it, but I hate that my driveway's not great. So I guess we're just going to keep driving it around and seeing how long it will take, if it will fully break or not. But it sucks because it looks so good on there, but man, it really is low. Let me see. I have my phone case right here, and this is a normal phone, and yeah, like it's less high than a phone. That's before it was about 3/4 of the way up from the ground from a phone. Now it's not a lot. The fist test does not pass it. So yeah, it's incredibly low. If you have lowering springs, don't even think about this lip. So yeah, lowering springs are now not even a chance, like zero, negative 20,000 chance of it driving with lowering springs and the lip if you have to go up any kind of incline, because it's low, which sucks because of, like I said, love the look of it. I mean, it's dirty right now, but when it's clean, I think it looks great. But guess we'll keep driving it and see if I do scrape anywhere else besides my own driveway. So this is going to be the last part of the video, where as you can see, the lip's not on anymore. Was on, but I took it off because just was too low. As you can see, the mounting screws are still there. I have a solution so it's not as low, but that will have to wait for another video another day. But the lip will be put back on. It's not going to stay like this. I just like it too much with the front lip, although I should probably just sell it, but I'm stubborn. I want to keep the front lip on, so I do have a solution, hopefully, to make it not as low. Even just half an inch, I think, would just be good enough that I could drive it around. But that will have to wait for another video. But that is it for today. So peace out. Hopefully we get this back and running, because after seeing it with the lip, now it just looks a little bit bare and naked without having a lip on it. So till the next video, you guys.